Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to create this layer depth background in Adobe Photoshop step by step. So without any further ado, let's jump into the Photoshop. First, fill the white color in the background and press Ctrl J to make another copy. With the pen tool, draw a selection as you like. Press Ctrl Enter to activate the selection. Press delete on the keyboard. Now press Ctrl T to deselect. Then double click on the right side of the layer 1. Here check on drop shadow and set the opacity to 53, distance value to 10, spread value to 2, size value to 25 and hit OK. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer and press Ctrl T, hold Alt and enlarge the second layer as you like and rotate a little, hit OK. Now hold Ctrl Shift Alt and press T to repeat the process. Again press T once again. Now hold Ctrl and click on the layer 1 thumbnail to make the selection. Now select the foreground color and choose your favorite color. I will put all the hexadecimal color code on the screen. Select the layer 1 and press Alt backspace to fill the color. Now similarly select all layer one by one and fill the color as you like. For centerline the design, select all layer except background layer, hold shift and press right arrow key to centerline vertically. Then press down arrow key to centerline horizontally. Then select all and group everything. Now I am creating two different designs using the same method. By the way, downloading of this PSD file is given in the description. Don't forget to download it. So that is it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.